Yes.
So perform docking. So instead of this, admit for all the drugs.
Yes.
Okay. This is now clear. Then
Yes.
next part is mm, analysis
Yeah.
of the binding
Finding sites.
sites and the affinity. Okay? Yeah,
Yes.
I think this is very clear.
Yeah.
So in this case, when you are saying for this, what you will need to do for admit,
Uh,
there is one software
mm,
called Swiss Admit. Okay.
okay. Yeah.
Hmm. Or what you can also use is very important to know is another software which you can use it
Mm,
uh, in to execute the admit profiling or analysis of the admit properties, and that is something which comes from another source, not Swiss admit, but
okay.
from another source, and that should be here in terms of reanalyze admit. Mm, So it is called PKCSM. Okay,
Okay.
PKCSM tool. So use PKCSM tool. This is, I will say, this is better because in why I'm not using this one like the Swiss admit, the reason is when you have molecular size bigger
Mm,
than certain limit, then they will say no. Okay, they will
okay.
not proceed for analysis. So they have certain limitation of this tool, like but PKSM is basically free from those limitations. Okay.
Okay. I think there are a couple of more as well, right? Yeah.
Yes, there are more. So I have selected PKCSM tool. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And here you can get all the admit properties from this tool. So it will take hardly minutes or few seconds. Okay.
Yeah.
Perform docking for the drug and the protein. So for this, as I was saying, we will CB, use CB doc 2.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes. So then again we move here, upload the 2D. So first upload the 3D structure of protein, and next is upload 2D SD F or mol2 file structure of the drug.
Drugs.
Okay, one
Yeah.
by one you can do.
Yeah.
Then select auto, select Bina Autodoc, and finally run docking. Okay,
Yes.
after running docking, collect the best binding affinity value. Okay,
Yes.
lower the value, better binding affinity.
Affinity.
Okay,
Yes.
now collect the binding sites by in terms of structure. Okay,
Mm.
here you need to hide the receptor. Okay, so
Yes.
basically you can select the option to hide the receptor. Okay,
Yeah.
and then it will just show the binding sites and the complete structure of the drug. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
it is also possible to get the list of names of amino acids amino acids which are binding sites. Okay,
Yes.
so this is the complete list of what you need to perform. So before we go to perform the analysis, we have to start from first step. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
and to start the first step, you need to create a folder where you will be generating all the data for this particular manuscript. Is
Yes.
it okay?
Yeah.
So then start collecting the structure. So first drug is curcumin. Am I right?
Mm. Yes.
And according to the pipeline which I have written, in this pipeline, we are saying to go to PubChem and find or collect the structure of curcumin. So this is the curcumin link, and then 2D structure is here. Download
Yes.
coordinate SDF. Okay,
Yes.
this one. Of course, you can also download the structure, 3D structure, but there
Mm.
is no need because here they don't ask you to download to use the structure, 3D structure.